And I'm Deepa. Guess what's gonna come on this whiteboard?
Yeah, we decided to do a leftover purge because our fridge was getting too messy. So we're gonna have this big snack board, like a big snack buffet.
So IPL is there, lockdown is there. You might be sitting at your home and guessing what to make for snack, and this is gonna be so interesting. And you can watch a cricket match or enjoy your lockdown time with such a beautiful snack buffet.
Yeah, and I love to even have it with a movie.
Let's go ahead and see what's there in our fridge, and then
It's time to clean it out. Let's get all the leftovers outside.
and fill this buffet. Come on, let's go.
So welcome to our fridge. So as you can see, we have like tons of leftovers. This is our leftovers row.
Yeah, this is milk products like butter, yogurt, and here we have cheese varieties and bread, and these are the leftover cooked items. Here we have sambar, there we have idli that's leftover, and this is our regular breakfast thing, dosa batter, some coconut, and here are our herbs and shallots that's been ready for cooking, and this is our vegetable tray. Here we
Yeah,
go.
where we eat a lot of veggies.
Yeah.
I love veggies. And then we have our fruit drawer, which is filled with tons of fruit. As you can see, we eat tons of fruit in our family, and this is like all the leftover fruit. Mom gave me a task to clean out the fridge and get all my things necessary, so I'm gonna do that. We got this big boy. We got cheeses, and then I'm gonna get a few veggies. I got some carrots, some bell peppers, which taste really good. I love some bell peppers with a little red. I got apples and green apples. Love those colors. And then I'm gonna get some strawberries and mango. So I've got all the leftovers out, Mom, and we also have a few extra things that we already got.
So here's our snacks bar, and we have some snacks like Indian snack murukku. Here are pastas and popcorns. Here we have peanut butters and some candies that's homemade.
We have
And there are a lot of stuff right over here too. It's easy to munch it out like that, but no, we need a buffet. So we are going to do some creative ways and even make this as a better snack.
Yeah.
And there we have some biscuits.
Important note to this peanut butter, it's creamy and delicious, and guess what? It's homemade, and we made it on our channel, so if you want to go make some peanut butter, go check out that video. Link is in the description box.
This is a great Indian snack, murukku, and this is not homemade, but we have a very good brand called Mahil, and it's really tasty. You
Yeah.
can go and try this out too.
So, in our family, we have a big family who likes to have different styles. When we have a big board and tons of leftovers, why not make different styles on each corners? We have tons of stuff, and we are super confused on what to make. So why don't we discuss on what are the snacks that we can make? And
So we'll discuss and then decide upon and make a beautiful platter right over here.
here are a few rules, Mom. They have to be easy to eat.
Yeah, we are going to make something easy, something nice and munchy.
That's not messy to eat. Like, it's not gonna make a big
And once you see the platter, I guess you have to have the varieties, the colors, the veggies, the fruits, everything distributed.
everything
evenly.
has to pop out. So we have all our gatherings. We have tons of leftover veggies. We have some plates over there to put on the board.
And we have some boiled corn, we have all the stuff right over there, and we have prepared the cheese sauce, and we have heated the sambar that's left over.
Yeah.
And we have made some magic with idlis.
Yeah, and don't be guessing what we're making with idlis and sambar. You'll be like, it's breakfast. How will you eat that for a snack? It's a surprise. Trust us, guys. So why don't we get started, Mom? Mom, what are you making? This looks super yummy.
It looks super yummy. Are you going to join with us?
Yeah.
So we are going to make a platter, and you have to join and help out with your creative ideas. Go ahead and make it with your kids. They go creative and they'll
Yeah.
enjoy making it.
So we're making a snack board, Margo. You love snack boards, don't you?
So we have all the plating items right over here.
So let's start making our cheese sauce.
Here we go.
We're gonna add butter.
It's slightly melted, it's time to add a tablespoon of wheat flour. Our sauce is getting thickened right over here, and I'm gonna add the cup of cheddar cheese into this and let the cheese melt.
Now let's add some salt because the cheese is completely melted. And we're also gonna add pepper. This is our cheese sauce. Look how gooey it is. It's gonna be delicious when we pour it.
So to this I'm gonna add a cup of milk. Make sure there is no lumps.
So Mom, we've cut up our fingers.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna spread this beautiful veggies, cream cheese into this.
This is like super for the summer because cream cheese just makes it so refreshing. Do you like cream cheese, Bargo?
Yeah, I
Bargo,
love
you wanna go ahead and do that?
Yeah, sure.
While the sandwiches is getting ready, I'm going to add this chopped onions here.
So we had a leftover bag of corn.
Yeah, some tomatoes. This is sweet corn that's been boiled. Some cucumbers that's been chopped here. Some nice amount of bell pepper.
We're making like a little chop or salad.
I'm going to top in with some shredded carrots as well.
Yeah, I think the plate.
I don't remember where, but I love chaat. I love corn chaat.
Chaat masala iduma. So I'm gonna drizzle in some olive oil right over here. Some salt.
And I have some chaat masala, which we're gonna add in a little bit.
Some pepper, and you have to squeeze in some lemon juice, and the
And
chaat
adds
is
a
ready.
nice tanginess.
Look at the color.
I love these snack boards. They're great for parties. And if you're having a party, you can make chaat and add some small bowls next to them so everybody can have a little bit.
So we have our fries right over here. These are the magic that we made with idli. Guess you can't even make it out what it is. And this idli is a millet idli, so it's again healthy.
Yeah, that's why the color is a little different from your normal idli. So we've prepped our food and it's time to
Arrange it.
let's put these bowls, and in these we're gonna add the sauce. Dump this peanut butter into one of these. I think we can put them over here, right?
Yeah.
Peanut butter is a great dip, and we'll show you a few great options that you can have with peanut butter.
So here I'm going to put the Indian variety sambar.
This is like our Indian corner. I love some delicious sambar.
Yeah, even the chaat masala is like the Indian side.
Yeah. So for peanut butter, the best combination is apples. So I'm gonna put this plate and then put the peanut butter dip on the center. And here we have some chopped apples, green apples and red apples.
They're like healthy.
So we have our biscuits here. I'm gonna spread some cream cheese right over here. Cream cheese and mango goes very well. So I have the seasonal fruit mangoes.
Yeah, it's like really good mangoes and cream cheese.
So I'm gonna sprinkle some
To make it
colors.
look pretty.
Yeah. Here we have this cheese sauce and some chopped carrots that's so healthy, and it goes very well with the cheese sauce. And we have some left, and we have some fries that's plain and crunchy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make this on the other side.
These are-
it's entirely optional, so you can go ahead and do that
It's like
as per
cheese
your.
fries.
Yeah, these are cheese fries that you can dip. And then I have some strawberries that I'm gonna put for my fresh fruit over here.
I have this cheese again. I have this French fries in another plate, and I'm gonna make another platter of this. So I'm going to drizzle in this cheese sauce over this French fries. It's like nice, yummy.
This looks super good, Mom.
Yeah, I'm going to garnish it with some onions, some tomatoes, some bell pepper, some olives to give a nice color. You can even top it up with some ketchup or some nice smoky
Mustard.
sauce like mustard sauce or barbecue sauce.
Yeah, and then I'm also adding a few toothpicks on the side so people actually prick their strawberries and have them.
Yeah, I can like-
You don't want to get too messy.
Yeah, if you're watching a movie on your bed or something, you don't want to get super messy, you know.
So here we go with the idli fries. That's here at the center.
These are idli fries. Don't they look delicious?
Yeah, it's super delicious.
And we are gonna place the murukus on the other side. This is a nice crunchy snack. And we are gonna show another interesting part right over here.
Have you ever?
You would have heard about mini idli sambar, you would have heard about vada sambar. Have you ever heard about muruku sambar? Here we go. Take a bowl. Put your murukus nice crunchy over here.
It's super delicious.
You don't want to have too many big pieces. That will get your muruku tangled.
Yeah, and then you will just choke.
And then
And you just pour over this plain
Hot sambar.
sambar
It's like
over it.
cereals, I think so.
Yeah. Margot, hold this on. I'm going to add some onions and tomatoes and some shredded carrot over it. And then some cilantro. And do try this out. It's delicious. You can even have for breakfast. You have to pour hot sambar and give it a while for 5 minutes. It gets soaked and it's so nice. Bet you that you will not even try out vada sambar and will go for muruku sambar. So here, this is in our snack bar right over here.
And then I brought a plate for the finger sandwiches. Yeah. So as you can see, we've done a little bit of replacement. You can add little features to your snack board that make it personal.
Never care about it's like messy or you don't have any of them face. You're just gonna eat it right now.
So I have my finger sandwiches. I think these will be a big hit.
Yeah, and the French cheese fries.
So then we have our bowl for our shot over there on that corner.
Oh, so good.
So good.
So I'm going to put this mangoes that's chopped here. I'm going to place some cheese cubes in between so that kids will take mangoes and cheese.
Mangoes and cheese are delicious, trust me guys. Wow, look at our snack board. It's so colorful and so pretty. I can't wait to dig in, but we have to wait. Yeah, so let's go ahead and go through what we have. We have
So let's go and dig into the snack board right over here. I don't think after this we are going to have dinner itself. So yeah, I'm gonna with the first healthy start, carrot.
I'm going for the apple and
So, hope you try these leftover ideas with your snacks. Look to the camera, Margo, we have to say. Make sure you try these. You can go creative as you want. It's not that you have to follow our recipes. You have so many leftover ideas. Comment down below some of your ideas to us.
And you would have enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.
Yeah, make sure to like this video.
share
and
this video.
yeah. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.